Where we at, Chulo?
Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. As you guys can tell, it's late as hell. We're currently, it's crunch time. And me voy a presentar, ahora sí yo me voy a presentar al canal como Chulo the Painters.
Ay, güey.
Chulo the Painters, no soy el compa, por favor, ya no me diciendo compa, soy Chulo the Painter. Okay, so we're here, currently they're tuning the Burnout truck. As you guys can tell, it's loud, so we had to come over here. We got the dually putting in work.
Good, baby. Dually. Hell yeah.
As you guys can tell, we got the E85. Ahora sí, como dice, le puse el E85. ¿Cómo esa madre de que le puse el E85?
Oh, I don't know, Chulo.
Yeah, it's a joke.
Esta chingadera flew away.
Yeah,
We went to Cali, and then this piece of the bed
and
cap,
it scratched it right here a little bit.
it flew off. Luckily, we still have the driver's side. For you guys in the comments, that's probably going to be wondering what happened to this. The cap flew off.
One for the loan, please hit me up, hit me up or be holding up, because we need one. Like right now, not tomorrow.
Hell yeah. But anyways, you guys, it's late at night. We're out here getting the truck tuned. Hopefully we can make it to Trucking Madness this Saturday. The crunch time is real. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to paint my Burnout truck. Maybe if we do go, I might just take it primer, but who knows? Hopefully everything goes good while tuning the Burnout truck. As most of you guys know, this truck, I bought it in my hometown in Denver, Colorado, and we brought it all the way from Denver all the way to Vegas after I sold my tennis ball to Jerry. But you know, that didn't sit well with me, so that's when I got this truck right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little close-up of my build that we're doing. It is a 5.3 LS, just cam and a stall, basically. Nothing crazy, nothing major. But anyways, as you guys could hear it, nice. And the whole truck is just like shaking. Anyways, let's go check it out. Damn, it is cold. So you guys, we went ahead and went to the gas station and put E85, that good stuff, true E85. Me and the tuner, well, me and my boy, he's actually one of my homies from years ago, since I first got into the truck scene. We went hella far to go get E85, and we noticed that the truck does not have any tail lights. Not only that, but we noticed that the Burnout truck doesn't have second gear. Second gear left the channel.
We don't need second. We just need first. As long as we got first.
First.
It is cold, man. Like, I'm gonna have to swing her. Are you gonna let me toss the keys or what?
So I got my boy Omar tuning the truck right now. That noise is the belt. I gotta replace the belt. I got the belt in the back.
Good supercharged. I mean, good, what is it called? Good supercharged.
The truck sounds good. But my boy was saying that second gear might be gone, but I don't really need second gear. All you need is first. And then I do have the new belt right here. That's the part number if you guys are wondering. But yeah, the truck sounds good. He's still doing some adjustments on the laptop, and it is now on E85. So let's see how she runs. I mean, you still got to do some adjustments on the tune, but I'm excited. Chulo, I'm excited, way.
We're gonna start getting horny with this shit.
Neta? Oh, man.
We're gonna have to beat that 4060.
Just listen to the chop.
This is music to my ears.
And I wish the camera could catch it, but the truck is actually shaking. That's not me shaking, that's the truck. See that?
Alright guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to become a tuner now, because
Alright, so my boy said, so let's go to our warehouse so we could he could do some adjustments.
Should I become a tuner now? Look, I got the computer.
Make sure the computer doesn't fall, Chulo. Just don't touch the screen. And he's gonna follow me because the Burnout truck has no tail lights. Porque mi chalana aquí no le puso las tail lights. So we're gonna go to our little warehouse right now and see how she does on first gear.
And you might have to toss me the keys.
But right now, what the computer is doing is reading all the data, all the information that the the ECU's giving to the computer, so he could analyzing the shifting points and all that good stuff, and do all the adjustments on the tables.
The secret sauce.
Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, we made it here to the private location, aka Mexico. Let's see what the truck does. That was actually my first time driving the truck. Shit, put it in work, boy. Hell yeah. What do you think, Chulo?
Yeah, I think I'm getting horny now.
Ay, güey. Look at that. Hell yeah. Good diesel. Let's go, Chulo.
Let's go.
Antes que te deporte, amigo.
Alright guys, as you can tell, she does burn out.
Damn, you guys, this motivated me even more. Even though I don't know if second gear's gone or it was the chicote problem, like Isma's problem. But anyways, man, this thing put in work, as you guys saw. Man, little 4.8, no, Chulo? 4.8 put it in work, stock truck. And that was my actually first time driving this truck since I bought it from Colorado. And it was just sitting, and yeah, I got tired of seeing it in my driveway, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this into a burnout truck. Yeah, aquí está.
The question is, who's gonna be the real driver?
No, nah, Chulo, look what Chulo did to my fender. I don't know if you guys will see it because it's night, but look at that. No, hombre, Chulo. Now we got to replace the fender, and like I said, we might take it to Truck It Madness. Just primer, no?
Yeah, just primer porque no alcanza ahorita para la pintura.
Because it's like a few days left. Damn, this thing put in work. All right, guys, that was the last tune. Well, the final touches to the tune. The truck drives nice, sounds good. Only problem is second gear is out, but I don't really need it when it comes down to burning out, because all you do is put it in first, lockout, and it won't shift from there. But the truck sounds and runs nice so far. I need to put tail lights ASAP. Go forward. You're good. Where we at, mi chulo?
Maverick, your favorite gas station.
That's right. This gas station is my favorite gas station because it comes all the way from Denver, Colorado. Allá de mis tierras. And this is one of the locations they opened up right here, ¿no, chulo?
Yeah.
¿Qué vas a agarrar, mijo?
Vamos a mirar primero y luego vamos a comer un sándwichito, algo.
No hay nada, estamos pobres, mira, está muerto aquí. I gotta take a leak, chulo. ¿La quieres agarrar, mijo?
Pero tú me has sentado, mijo, como la vida.
Nah. I'm about to cut. Damn, this place has so many stalls. Man, That's what's up. The chulo, what are you doing, güey? Hey, you guys, check this setup out. La baby dually con my single cab burnout truck. Mira nomás. Que chulada. Anyways, you guys, as you saw, we made it here to Maverick. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera over. I'm gonna go over all the specs on the burnout truck. As you guys know, I do not like to gatekeep. I like to give you guys all the information and knowledge that I know. When it comes to mechanic, auto body, or any stuff that I do know how to do, I'll be more than gladly to share my knowledge with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera so you guys can see what I'm seeing. All right, guys, so we have my baby dually right here, my single cab, and right here in the back we have my burnout truck. So you guys, this is a 2002 GMC Sierra. I went ahead and did the cat eye front end swap, which is from the 03 to 06 Chevy Silverado. It is HD, so I do have the HD bumper pad. I am missing the lower valance, but that's not a problem for us. I have all that at the shop. But let's start from the front. Like I mentioned, I did the cat eye swap front end. Right here we have our True Cool trans cooler with what size are these two? I forgot.
I don't know what size they are.
E-fans for the tranny so it won't get hot, especially when I'm doing the burnouts. On the engine bay we have a 4.8 wrapped with Speed Engineering long tube headers. The wires are MSD. Intake manifold is a TBSS intake manifold with Amazon special cold air intake. On the internals, it is a 4.8 with a custom grind cam. Injectors are upgraded. It's tuned on E85. What else? On the transmission is a 4060. Is missing second gear, just like my compa Chulo's missing some parts from his brain, some brain cells. The star is from my sponsorship over at TCR. It's a 3800 star from TCR. Shout out to Arturo from TCR. Without him, this truck wouldn't be where it's at right now. What else do we have? That's pretty much it. On the front, I'm running the 20 LTZs with the two. I think they're 275/40 20s. On the rears, I have 18s. That tire size is 255/45 18s, and I spin them like nothing, as you guys saw in the last clip. When it comes down to the interior, I have a complete Cadillac Escalade interior. Someone came up on my cluster when I went to go drop off this truck at another shop. Not mentioning names, not gonna throw them under the bus. I'm gonna just let Karma do its thing. It has a sunroof. Like I mentioned before, this truck, I went ahead and got it at Denver, Colorado, and we brought it all the way to Vegas. So this truck is from my hometown as well, Denver, Colorado.
We're gonna take it back and fuck it up over there more.
Yep. And then what else? It's on the 4.6 drop, OEM SS tailgate with the wing, and then the bottom cladding as well. Missing the bumpers, the tail lights, the third brake light. Yeah, I mean, this truck does need a lot of work. I'm not gonna sit here and sugarcoat things. I do need to replace that passenger fender porque mi compa de aquí me la chocó. I don't know how he crashed it.
Me la prestaste, me fui con una cariñosa y pues...
No, cariñoso, chulo. A ti te gustan los vatos, mijo, nomás que la disfrazas.
No sé.
Ay, güey.
Pero me la prestaste y como creo que como que Me acerqué mucho a la verga. La
No,
pagué.
sí, te acercaste mucho.
Me pasé más, ¿no?
Anyways, this whole truck is sponsored by Street Concept, Max Speeding Rods, TCR. What else? Who else do we have on the? We have the company that makes the LEDs, Oxito. They sponsor the lights as well. We still have to install them. This whole truck is going to be an SS clone, fully sponsored by Street Concept. So we got the Street Concept hood going on, SS bumper, the claddings, all that good stuff. And then on the wing, I went ahead and asked for the SS. No, not the SS2. Yeah, the SS2. Yeah, the SS2, because I do have the Crespo one on my GMC Sierra
Crespo
SS
style.
clone.
Don't say Crespo,
Crespo style, yeah, Crespo style.
No.
Street Concept knows that I'm locked in with him for life. I mean, yeah, Street Concept all the way. Like I mentioned, this whole truck is sponsored by Street Concept when it comes down to the claddings, the SS kit, the hood, the wing, everything's by Street Concept. So stay tuned when we install those as well. The wing, I ordered the SS2 wing. What else? We have Oxito that sponsored the LED lights for the front. TCR went ahead and sponsored us with the stall. What else? I think that's pretty much it that we have. Oh, and Max Speeding Rods as well. They sponsored the whole drop. It's a 4.6 drop. All the parts, I'm gonna go ahead and list them down in the link in the description down below, so you guys could check them out. When it comes down to TCR, I'm gonna just add his business Instagram account, so you guys could message him and ask him if you guys need anything. What else? That's pretty much it. Everything else came out of my pocket. And yeah, so far so good. The truck, I went ahead and bought this truck in Colorado for $2K, non-running or nothing. It was had the GMC Sierra front end on it. I went ahead and converted it into a cat eye because I already have another we have the Sierra SS clone at the house, so I had to add a cat eye to the collection. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes down to my build on the Burnout truck. But you guys, I want to give my boy Omar a huge shout out for tuning the Burnout truck this late. It is currently late at night, as you guys see in the background, and it is cold. And you know, he took his time, he was patient with us, he helped us out with the truck when it comes down to tuning. We did so many passes. We actually went to the secret location down in Mexico, and he started swinging the truck, doing some adjustments, and the truck did perfectly fine in my opinion. But he did mention to later on to fix the tranny issue so he could retune it. And yeah, I mean, he's a good guy. Make sure to follow him. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. Go give him a follow. If you guys need any tuning or anything, make sure to tell him that Johnny from the Painters or that Johnny LSX sent you, and he'll take care of you. He is located here in Las Vegas. That's where I'm based off right now, as of Las Vegas. But yeah, make sure to give him a follow, you guys. And man, I'm actually happy because today literally is the first time that I got to drive this truck ever since I bought it. I bought this truck, like I mentioned already, it wasn't running or anything and not even drivable. And today was the day we actually drove it. Even Omar was like, "This is your first time driving this truck?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I know." And I was excited, and I'm still excited as of right now. 2025 is going to be our year, most definitely. You know, I'm rocking with my boy Jerry. We got big plans coming up, primero Dios. And yeah, we got a lot of things cooking, and just let us cook, man, because stay tuned for what's next. I want to give a huge shout out to all my sponsorship that I have so far. I believe I have 7 of them as of right now. And 2025, who knows what that year holds for us. This is only the beginning, you guys. So make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, you guys. It comes a long way. It helps me with whatever expenses I have, and any money that I make off of YouTube. I'm not saying I make a lot or little, but it all goes back into these bills so I can make more content for you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. And that's basically going to be it for this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.